side.
Okay.
And I'm going to show you step by step how to create yours. Step 1, find some sort of piece of white paper. This is a little bit longer than usual piece of computer paper. Be creative, use what you can find. If it's not white, it can be any color as long as you can write on it. So you can do that. Now, I have a colored pencil with some sort of writing utensil. I'm going to start by filling out my phases. And this is what we've kind of learned about our moon right now. So we have seen that we have the full moon, where you can see a nice round circle in the sky. I'm gonna put that at the top of my paper. Full moon. And then on the bottom side, the opposite of the full moon is the new moon. That's when you can't see anything at all. Paper?
Oh.
Okay. Now, in between new moon and full moon, or top and bottom, I'm going to write the word quarter, Q-U-A-R-T-E-R, and on the opposite side, quarter, Q-U-A-R-T-E-R. Now, in our moon cycle, we have both the first quarter and the third quarter. The interesting thing is, even though they're called quarter moons, like 1/4 or 25 cents, to us in the sky, they look like the half moon phase, which I'm sure if you think about, oh yeah, when you can see about half of the moon. And that is because we see half of the moon in the sky, but you have to remember there's that whole backside of the moon that we never see. So we're seeing one piece of the moon. So from new moon to the full moon, that's our first quarter. It's the first time we see a half moon in our lunar cycle. On the opposite side of the paper is our third quarter, because that is when we're seeing another half moon, and it's the last, or the 3 out of the 4 stages that we just made. Now, in between new moon in first quarter and new moon in third quarter, we have our crescents, C-R-E-S-C-E-N-T, on both sides. C-R-E-S-C-E-N-T. In between the quarters and the full moon, we have the gibbous, G-I-B-B-E-O-U-S. I should have looked up how to spell that before we looked that up, but I'm pretty sure that's right. G-I-B-B.
Are we done yet?
E-O-U-S. No.
How many more?
Rob, look up gibbous for me.
Gibbous?
Yeah, for the moon phase. I want to make sure I spelled it right. Okay. So on both the crescent and gibbous, we have 2 different phases. We have the waxing phase, which is where we're going from not seeing the moon at all to it getting a little bigger every night up until a full moon. That is the waxing phase. Like the wax of a candle, a layer of it getting bigger every day. So waxing, W-A-X-I-N-G.
How'd you spell it?
I put an E-O-U-S at the end. Is that right?
I could be wrong. That's totally
Yeah,
good.
no, that's not that. I know it's got an O-U in it, but I'm not sure about the E. All right, now from waxing to full moon, we're getting bigger. After we see our full moon, it starts getting smaller every day until we get back to the new moon, the beginning of our lunar cycle. And that is the waning phase. Waning is a synonym for getting smaller or wasting away. So we call that the waning phase of the month. Okay, this is what I've got now. All right, stop the video.